Good morning, you guys. Okay, so let me talk to you about your in-text citations. First of all, I want to say I'm so sorry I didn't do this yesterday. It is crazy hard to come on here and help you with a 2-year-old attached to me. So, okay, let's get started. So the first question I asked you yesterday, you mostly answered it correctly if I show you. This is pretty great. Okay, see, the green is the correct answer. And look how many of you got it. So yay for you guys. Okay. So when I need to use a citation in my essay, I need to put it in after we use information from our articles. Remember, I'm only asking you to cite where you use information from the 2 articles that you're using in your research. Okay, so if you write information about the salary, you have to cite that. If you write information about the job prospects, you have to cite that. If you write things about the type of job, you have to cite it, okay, to your articles. So this is correct. Number 2, what is in the actual citation? Okay, so this one, I don't remember your answers. Evidence of a document is not what goes in the in-text citation. Information from our articles, it does not go in the citation. When you refer or summarize, that's what a citation is used for, but no, it doesn't go in the citation. So you guys, I think what you looked up here is what it, oh wait, no, I'm reading the question wrong. You're all right. You're all right, and I'm wrong. What is an in-text citation? Yes, it's where you put, you're citing the information, the article where you got that detail. So all of these are correct, okay? It's basically evidence. It's where it's citing your evidence, telling the reader, hey, this isn't my idea, okay? Really nice, okay? And I think I have that here in your, if you read that. What is a citation? A citation is the writer's acknowledgement of where they found the evidence in their essay. Okay. Question 3. What information should we use in the in-text citation from our articles? Only the author's last name. Okay, so we didn't do as great on this question as the others, but you still majoritively answered the correct answer. You only need the author's name. Okay, that's the correct answer. What information about the author should be included in the text citation? Only their last name. Not first and last. A lot of you felt like it would be first and last, but it's only the last name. Okay, just like in your, I don't know what I was going to say. Just the last name. Okay, so let me just look at that with you guys. So what does it look like? It looks like this. Do you see where I'm highlighting? Okay. So after my citation here, these words, symbol using animals is my quote, right? My evidence from my research. After the quote ends, I put my citation here. I have the author's last name, and in this example, I have a page number, okay? Let's go back. What information about the author should I include in the text? We said just their last name. If the article we got the information has page numbers, should we include them? Yes! Okay, just like my example here, I have my page numbers included. If there are no page numbers, no problem. Just don't put page numbers. That simple. I don't mean the number like of how many pages were printed, but let me just show you. Let me see if I can pull it up. My computer is so slow. I don't think this is going to work, but let me just see. Okay. Okay. So I'm just looking at an example here. So this is just a online published article. And look, there are no page numbers. Okay. Most of you guys are not going to have page numbers. From the articles that you used, that I told you to use, most of you don't have page numbers. Okay. So yes, if you have page numbers, include them. If there's no author, what information from the article should we use in the in-text citation? The title. Yes, people, thank you for reading. Not the date. And of course, you need an in-text citation. I love that somebody thought this was the answer. I love you guys so much. The title. So let's take a look at what that looks like. With no author, here's an example of a citation that uses the title. Okay, again, I want you to notice right here, the quote finishes, it's over, and then there's the in-text citation afterwards with the title inside and a period at the end of the sentence. The citation is part of your sentence. Okay. So, when punctuation is used for in-text citations, you guys did great with this one. The parentheses and the period after the parentheses. Very nice. Very, very nice. Okay. Which of the following citations is correct for an article within author and pages? Perfect. This is a tricky one. Most of you picked just my last name, but I said there are pages, page numbers, okay? So that means I need to incorporate this 45 for the page number, okay? If you have page numbers, you have to include them. Which of the following citations is correct for an article with an author and no pages? Okay, let's see. Wow, only 2 people got this one right. I put this example here. It looks almost exactly the same as the yellow choice. The reason I put this here is because you see the period inside the quotation marks. That is so wrong. Don't do that, okay? It has to come at the end of the parenthesis. Remember, if there's no period, that's not the answer. And this isn't even an article name, you guys, the Teacher's Journal. There's no quotation marks around the title, so it's not even an article title. So it wouldn't even work if there was no author. Which of the following citations is correct for an article with no author but has pages? Okay, so let me see. Again, I tricked you. This is a good trick one here. The blue answer looks correct, but it isn't because look at the green one. It has a period after the parentheses. It's so important you pay attention to these simple punctuation rules. They may seem really silly to you, but they're like my life and they're very important. So make sure the period goes on the outside of the quotation or the citation. I'm sorry. And the last one. Which of the following citations is correct for an article with no author and no pages? So I'm looking for a title. So let's see. Yeah, we majoritively answered this one correct. Okay. Again, this is not the right answer because of the period inside the quotation marks. This as well has a period inside the quotation marks, which makes it wrong. Also, the Teacher's Journal is not the title. It is the publisher. So that's incorrect. So you have to look for quotation marks. You need to have them around your title and the parentheses like this. So what's the overall message? What do you need to know about citations? If there's no author, inside the parentheses is the title of your article, and the period goes at the end. That's all you need to know. If there's an author, the author's last name goes inside the parentheses. If there's a page number, you incorporate that, and a period goes at the end of the sentence. Guys, I really hope this is helpful. I tried really hard. I know it's not easy for everyone. Please use the subtitles here, the closed caption in it if you would like to. You can always translate what I'm saying or slow me down. I know I'm talking fast. Your papers are due today, so let me know if you have any questions.